This reupholstered OMP bucket seat was supposed to go in the GT4. We bought that car, it has 18 ways, wanted it for comfort for the street, and I would swap in a bucket seat for the track days. But as it turns out, I bought this one with a bunch of other parts, and this is an extra large. It is way too wide and provides zero lateral support for myself or my wife. So, as you can see, I have about 3 inches gap here. So, not good enough to use for the track. It has been cut up on the side to fit in a GT4. It was previously in a GT4, a gentian blue one. That's why it was recovered in this blue Pasha. It matched pretty well. But instead of using it for track, I'm not going to let it go to waste. I am today going to turn it into a rolling chair for around the garage. I do have the legs and rest of the base for it right here. Just move this up to the workbench so we can get started. These should roll pretty nice. They look like rollerblade wheels, soft rubber, urethane, whatever that is. Five wheels, bag of screws. I did buy this seat with some mounting hardware, bracket, and the slider wasn't there, and a bunch of other things. So I did get a really good deal, and even if I weren't going to use the seat at all, it was still a good deal for everything else. So not in the least bit upset about that. And this will be a fun little project and a good chair to have in the garage, I think. Go through this, not make you watch. I mean, this is just like any office chair. Just put these pieces together. Yeah, be right back. Okay, that's together. Now we'll see how difficult these wheels are to put in. Sometimes this is like the most difficult thing of an office. Oh, that's good. That's easy. Nice. Sorry if this is loud. It probably is. Okay. That'll sit in there like that. Now I just need to attach this base to the seat. Take these back and lower cushions off. And what I got to do this, I just went to Ace and I got these rounded head hex bolts so that if they're going through from the top, they're rounded, nothing, less of a chance of getting poked. And then regular washer and a rubber washer. Since it's fiberglass, rubber washer in between both washers just to try and give it a little bit of play so it doesn't crack as I tighten it. So I'll leave these in the bag. For now, states front right here. I'll try and center as best I can. I'm going to leave this piece here. It'll give it just a little extra incline. I did make sure to get bolts that were long enough for that. So I'll just line it up here. Let's see. So what I'll do, put some tape down so that I can mark where I want to drill. About there. About there. as this is just for the garage, it does not have to be perfect. I would like to get it close though, but I'm just going to eyeball it. Oh, we got there. Yeah, I know it's right, I'll be relaxed. I don't know why I expected this to make a little bit less of a mess than this, but okay. That was dumb. That was stupid. I just lost a washer down there. Let's see. Peg. So this side should be able to come up. Beauty of Swiss tracks. Okay. Let's do this a smart way. Smarter way, anyway. Okay. This one. So I've got, you see this? Round head hex, regular washer, rubber washer. This will go through the seat, and then rubber washer, nut on the bottom. Rubber washer, nut. We'll do the same for this other one. Let that rest there. Rubber washer, nut. I'm just gonna smoke these holes right through here. Okay. rubber washer, washer nut. And then one more. These back ones I could have gotten a little bit shorter, but that's okay. It's for the garage. Need a deep socket 13. Need to get that AC out here soon. I just realized I left the tape on the bottom here. You're probably all screaming at your screen, but I forgot to take it off. And that's fair. So I'll just do what I can. Bottom cushion, seat back, pull that little protective cap off. That's for shipping. There we go. Oh yeah. That's perfect. You're still here. Thanks for sticking around. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, why don't you click here to subscribe? And if you have time, go ahead and watch this one. YouTube put it here because they really think you're going to like it. Thanks.